Sometimes I close my eyes and walk the roads of yesterday, where every little moment had 1,000 things to say. The laughter of my childhood, the faces I still know, the fields beneath the evening sun, the places I called home. We never knew those days were gone. We thought they'd always stay, but time kept moving silently, carried them away. Oh, I remember my old days like pictures in my mind. The laughter, tears, and simple dreams I left so far behind. Turn the hands of time, I'd live them once again with me. The dusty roads, the rainy nights, the games beneath the sky, the little dreams we carried then that made us want to fly. Friends who walked beside me, some stayed, some went away, but every memory of them still warms my heart today. We chased the sun till evening came, with no fear of tomorrow. Those simple days, those innocent hearts were free from pain and sorrow. Oh, I remember my old days like songs I used to sing, the dreams that filled my little world, the joy that life would bring. Oh, I remember those old days, so precious and so true, a part of who I am today, will always belong to you. Now I travel through the years with memories by my side. Some moments bring a smile, some bring tears I cannot hide. Time may change our faces and take us far away, but memories never disappear. They quietly remain. I remember my old home, the voices in the air, the warmth of those familiar days, the people who were there. The evening sky was brighter, the stars seemed close and near, treasures here. Oh, I remember my old days, and sometimes I feel young when I hear the songs of yesterday, the songs we used to hum. Oh, I remember those old days, though time has passed away, they live inside my heart forever and guide me on.